Hello YouTube, I am Akshay Chauhan and welcome to the 8th video of the Python series, and in this video we are going to learn about looping in Python. So what is looping? Let's say we got a work, we want to print a series of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and what we are doing, we are writing the print statement again and again and again, and that makes the program to look complex, and it also take more time and more work from the programmer, and so reduce the work and make it more good looking program. What we can do, we can use looping. So we are going to, in this video we are going to learn about for loop, and we are going to learn about while loop. Let me start. Let's say we got print 1. Okay, and now in next line we want to print 2, and then we want to print 3, and so on up to 4. And let's say we want to type this up to 100, 200 and so on, and it will be an very big headache for the programmer to do that. To do that, what we can do, we can easily write for, and now here we will tell a new variable. Let's say my variable is steps in, and now here in range I will write the range. Let's say my range is 100. Then don't forget to put the column, and now we will type print steps. Now let's run it. So it will print up to 99. Let me show you this within this number of programs. Yeah, so we typed 10, and in the program the value the in the result starts from 0 up to 9. Why not 10? Because 10 is the upper limit of the range, and upper limit is not included in the program, and the steps always start from 0. Now in the next section, let's say yeah, if you want to uh, if you want to write roll numbers of student, and roll numbers do not start from 0, it starts from 1. And what to do then? All we have to do is, if you want to start a list from 1, we have to put here 1 and then comma. Let's rerun the program. Yeah, so it starts from 1. Where is my pencil? Yeah. So 1, it starts from 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to 9, and as 10 is the upper limit, 10 is not included, and that's all about this. Now in next, now what if we want to make the series jump? I mean to say that, let's say first we want to print 2, then we want to print 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. We want to make a series that looks like this. The difference between 1 and 3 is 2, and 3 and 5 is 2, and 5 and 7 is 2, and 7 and 9 is 2. Means the common difference between all this is 2. So what we will do here, we will write comma. Let's see what happens. What happened is, first the step was 1, so 1 is printed. Now 2 is added. This 2 is added into 1 and it becomes 3. So now the steps is equal to 3. That's why 3. Now again 2 is added to 3 and it becomes 5. That's why 5. Same logic up to 9. What happens on 9? 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. As 11 is greater than our upper limit, 11 will not be printed. The result will be only up to 9. That's why the result is up to 9. That was all about this. Now let's say, and this is a very interesting feature of Python. If you want to predefine the list of values that will be run in steps, and let's say 1 comma 2 comma 3, and here instead of 4 and any other, I want to type triple 1, and then let's say triple 2 and any 3 4 5. This is a predefined, let's say predefined sets. We can even predefine the sets. Now let's try to run it. 1 2 3 means we can predefine our variables that are going to run in the program. 1 2 3 is printed, 1 is printed, 2 is printed. That's all. So that's all about this, and now in next section we are going to learn about while loop. What is while loop? While loop is used when we want to make an loop run until something is done. Yeah, until something is done. Let's say let me first define my, let's say our program, we are asking user to enter any password. Let's say if the user inputs wrong password, then the application again asks for the password. That is what while loop is. Let's say our password AWSWORD is equal to 0. Let's say initially the password is 0, and we'll write while password is not equal to, let's say Akshay. Akshay is the password. While the password is not equal to Akshay, here we will write password is equal to input LEAC. Please enter the password. So if the users input the correct password, then he will be welcomed to the admin panel. So if the password is Akshay, then the program will let the pointer move to the next part of the program, else it will keep on repeating the statement, that is please enter the password. Let me show you how. Please enter the password. Let's say password is 123. So see, it again come to the please enter the password. And let's say password is password wrong. So what was our password? That was Akshay. Welcome to admin panel, and program close. So this was about while loop. And what else can we do? Let's say instead of this, let me write counter. Counter is equal to 0. I will let it integer here. And while counter is less than, let's say 4, print counter, and here what we will do, counter is equal to counter plus 1, and let's see what happens. 0 1 2 and 3 prints. First the value of counter was 0, 0 is printed, then 0 plus 1 is equal to 2, value of the 0 plus 1 is equal to, sorry, not 2, it's 1. So 1 is printed, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 3, and up to 3. This runs. So that was all about looping in Python. In next videos we are going to learn more about Python. So please stay tuned. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.